Hey guys, welcome back. Congratulations on completing the quiz. Now, don't be disappointed if you weren't able to answer everything. That's okay. This is a learning process. As long as you took away at least one thing from this section, then that's great. We build on that. So Excel, like everything else, it's like learning a new language. You learn one word at a time. So let's go through the actual solutions. Let me first zoom in here. Let's get to the top. Now, the first one says, fill in the remaining data with the number 20 in the general expenses column, which is over here. Okay, so we want to go and select all the cells we want to fill, as you can see here. Then we want to type in the number 20, 20. Then we want to do the array fill by pressing Control on the keyboard and pressing Enter, like so. And now you got 20 in both cells. Let's do that again for the next batch. This time it's a bit more than 2. Now you select the whole thing, type in 20 like so, and Control, Enter. So that's the first one done. Let's highlight that to show that it's finished. Now the next one says, cut the days in cells B31 to B40 into the table above it, which is this table here. So we're going to go down a little bit. Now there's two ways to do this. You can go and select the entire thing, go home, cut, okay, which will activate the cells. Then we want to go into the first cell, which is going to be painted into, and pressing paste up here. That's the first way. So you can cut and paste like that, or you can do this, which is select the cells, and you'll notice the black outline around the selected cells. And we want to click on that and drag it. Oops, let me do that again. And you want to grab it and take it all the way up. Now you can see there's a bit of a preview. So once you're happy with where it's supposed to go, just release. And there you go. So that's the next one done. Let's go up a bit. This one's finished. Now the next one says, move columns closer together to complete the table using column delete. So that means these ones here. Now we can do one at a time, or we can do them in a group. Doesn't matter. Ends up in the same thing. So we select this, column E and column F. Now you want to right click in the blue area, like so, and press delete. Now we do that for the last one as well, by selecting the column, right clicking, and pressing delete. Or you can use the Control minus shortcut key. Okay, next one done. Now number 4 says delete middle rows which are blank. It's going to be very similar to the one we just did. Select 17, row 18, and row 19. Then you want to right click in the blue area like so, and press delete. So our table is now coming together. Just a few more steps. Now the next one says create a copy of the sheet and rename it as quiz copy. Now this one may be a bit difficult, but I hope you guys were able to remember. You want to start by right clicking the sheet that you want to copy. Then you want to go move or copy like so. Now we keep the to book the same because we're keeping the file within this file. Sorry, we're keeping the sheet within this file. So in the drop down, just confirm that. Okay. Now we want to put it in between quiz solution and case study row. That is the worst arrow I've ever done. Okay. So we want to put it before case study row. Create a copy and press OK. And there it is there. Okay. So that's our copy. Next, we have to tile it. So as you can see here, it says tile the windows horizontally. So to do that, first we need another window. So the way we're going to do that is, sorry, I skipped a step. First, we got to restore the windows by using this button in the top right corner. Okay, so that's the restore window button. So press that, and that'll minimize your screen like so. Next, we want to go to View. Okay, let me activate View. Then we want to go Window and New Window, like we did in the lecture. So Select that. So now we have the second window. Now we have to tile this horizontally. So to do that, we go Arrange All, which is again in View, Window, and Arrange All. Okay? So select Arrange All. Now we want to tile it horizontally. In the lectures we use tiled, but this time we're going to use horizontally. Okay? And select OK. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you learned a lot. If you want to keep practicing, please just take the quiz over and over again until you've mastered it. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.